Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gazebo fountain build in Heartopia. So we're just going to lay down some floors here. I'm just going to take a wall first so we can color the bottom of it. You can also, actually I will add stuff to it. Let me just color this first. So I'm going to color it according to my fountain color. I only have the black one. So I will just color this a dark color to match the aesthetic of the fountain, but you're just going to color it according to what you have, of course. I'm not going to do this because it's black and purple, so I do just have to. What about this? I'm just trying to decide on the flooring here, guys. Well, actually, I'm just going to do this one. Okay, let's delete this. And then we're going to add a low wall, just for the steps. You'll need 3 by 3, I think. So we're just going to do 3 first, and then we're going to color it. Let me see if they have okay, I'll do this black and gold tone. Then I'll do 3 here. And then I'm also going to do 3 here. Then 3 here as well. Then we're going to put the flooring on that. Okay, so this is kind of our base, and then we're going to add the wall here. And again, I'm going to color that in. Should I just do the same? Okay, I'm going to, that doesn't look that great. Okay, I'm just going to use that. And then I'm going to add these walls all around, kind of like here. So 1, 2, we need 4. Whoops. And 1 more, 4. Like so. And we're going to get a floor here. So I'm just going to extend that. Then we are going to use it for the ceiling. We will need 1 across here and 1 across there. Then we will need a half wall. You don't have to color it anything. Just going to place it here. Then we're going to get another flooring here. We're going to spread it so 3 by 3 like so. Delete the half wall, and we're going to put our fountain on top of that. Let me get this. And then, okay, that's correct. Then we are going to remove the rest. If you want, you can keep these to add flowers, but I think I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just going to remove everything except for the one in the middle. So don't remove the middle flooring. Okay, and I just placed this. I'm just going to grab this and place it out of bounds, and we're going to do the glitch. Okay, we need to do that again. I have a couple tutorials on my page of the glitch, but it's just I don't want to explain it every single time, so I don't. Okay, there we go. Now is where we're going to add the roof. So we are going to grab the roof here. We're going to grab the European slate roof. And we're just going to, make this smaller. And then we're going to kind of run out a little bit more. And I'm just going to change the color to match the fountain yet again. Like so, and we're going to add 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I hope that was like clear enough for you guys. And then we are going to work on these sides. We are going to need the joinery partition wall, which you do need to craft, so craft that first. And then I'm just going to turn it like this way, so this part is inside. And we're going to add 4 first. So 1, 2, 3, and oops, 4. Okay, that's 4 so far. I also, okay, where do I want to put the door? I think I want to put the door here. So I'm just going to move everything first. So 1, 2, whoops, 3, and 4. Oh my gosh, I need to like turn it. Why is it so hard to turn this? Okay, there we go. So I want the door to be here. Okay, let's move all first and then place it out of bounds, and then we're going to do the glitch. Thankfully, worked the first try, and then we're going to do it for our second partition place so we are able to close everything. But before that, I do want to add a like arc. Do I have that? Hold on, let me see my doors. Okay, I do have this. Oh my gosh, I can't color it. Okay, I'm just going to leave it, but if you have like the store and you can like color it the same color as your fountain, you're going to add that in and you're going to like leave that so it will like sit on like underneath the glitch. Okay. So I'm going to grab the partition wall again here. Wait, did I have all of that? Okay, going inside, yeah. And then I'm just going to do the same thing for this one, but like on the other end of the wall. So here, and then here, and then here, and then another one here. And for this one, you don't need to glitch it. You're just going to press complete. Wait, did I? Okay. You're then going to just press complete and press confirm creation if you're doing this in blueprint mode. But if not, you're just going to select complete on like the normal build mode. Okay, now we're going to go back and we're going to edit it. And hopefully everything works well. Let me just adjust the weather so you guys can see it a little bit better. And this is what it looks like. Well, that is so pretty. Okay, we're now just going to add a door and we're going to add stairs. So let's add a door. I think I'm just gonna use this one and have like the door inside like this. Oh my gosh, I can. Okay, I guess we have to have it outside. And then you're just going to add like stairs to it. Don't know. Let's add this one. And then you can add like flowers to this area here to cover everything up, which I'm going to do, and I'm going to decorate it as well, so I'll be right back. And this is what it looks like all decorated, super cute. It obviously looks better when the fountain is on, but I'm on blueprint mode, so I can't show you guys that. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, Just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.